Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Weekly Midnight Radio. I'm Adli, the host and the owner of this Weekly Midnight Radio program. Through this program, you could learn about various notable games, in my opinion, and then you could also learn about various streamers on Twitch. This podcast contains highlight from the program which aired live on Twitch every Saturday at 9 p.m. The new episode in this podcast will be available every Monday. Thank you for listening to this podcast, and if you enjoy the content, please consider donating to help me produce more great content in the future. Thank you so much. Welcome back to Weekly Midnight Radio episode 59. Selamat datang kembali di Weekly Midnight Radio episode ke-59. Kita tadi baru saja mendengarkan satu lagu, yakni Natural dari The Massive. Bagus. Gesernya sendiri pun bilang sebenarnya tadi lagunya chilling dan dia enjoy. Kalau kelihatan tadi di awal ya ngangguk-ngangguk ya. Dan sekarang kita akan masuk ke segmen pertama, yakni bincang-bincang dengan bintang tamu kita pada malam hari ini, yakni Empina in Live yang seperti bisa dilihat di atas ini. Mungkin ada yang belum pernah bertemu dengan Empin sebelumnya. Dan streamer yang satu ini sebenarnya jarang on cam, kecuali di redeem dan juga hand cam. Kemudian mungkin ada yang belum pernah bertemu dengan Empin sebelumnya, atau mungkin ada viewer lama yang mungkin ingin diingatkan kembali dengan momen-momen di masa lalu dari channel Empina in Live. Karena sepertinya sudah lama juga sepertinya seorang Empin ini streaming di Twitch. Maka dari itu ada kompilasi beberapa klip yang telah dikirimkan sendiri oleh Empin. Semoga dengan klip-klip berikut ini bisa memberikan gambaran kira-kira seperti apa channel Empina in Live biasanya. But anyway, selamat menyaksikan beberapa klip berikut ini ya.
Dapat senjata apa-apa. Mau crack moral lah. Klik flick itu sumpah kalau holy, what was that flick, bro? Oh my god, sumpah flicknya apa-apaan itu. Udahlah aku gacha di sininya lah, di gerejanya aja lah. I atone for my sins. I have gambled all of my life. All Father bestow my friend to Kojusara. Let's go. Aku balik, mobil. Aku bawa mobilnya sini ya. Yo. Aku bawa mobilnya sini ya. What? I survived. Yes, ada di sini dia. Let's go boys, let's go. We got time today boys. No, all Father, bestow me your wisdom. Ya, ye. Oh my god. I'm a god. Cok, dua dapat cok.
put stuff together. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Jangan still.
Ya,
Spike
doesn't
planted.
matter.
Udah mati deh lah.
Belum. Aku baru ini apa?
Oh dia.
Ini episode ke-59 dari Weekly Midnight Radio. Dan ini adalah kali pertamanya saya selaku seorang host belajar memberikan effort lebih untuk melakukan sensor secara manual terhadap klip-klip yang tersedia, begitu. Berkaca pada pengalaman. Sebentar. Jadi saya mesti sensor sana sini. BTW itu sebenarnya aku sensor tulisannya juga karena apa ya? Kayak aku pernah denger ada yang kena violation di YouTube kalau misal menampilkan tulisan tertentu. Jadi daripada tidak bermasalah, daripada bermasalah, jadi mending aku sensor duluan begitu. So ya, anyway, pada malam hari ini bintang tamu kita ialah seorang streamer di Twitch, yakni MP9 Live. Biasanya tidak on cam kecuali di redeem, dan juga hand cam kecuali di redeem. Jadi seperti inilah tampilan seorang MP9 Live. Sementara itu,
Yes, first time.
mari biar lebih besar lagi ya. Pada malam hari ini seperti biasa, kalau selaku viewer dan para penonton atau pendengar, viewer atau listener, kalau ingin berkontribusi secara langsung bisa gunakan channel poinnya. 189 channel point untuk request lagu, 369 untuk bertanya via audio, atau 99 via teks di chatroom. Baik, itu saja sepertinya. Tadi mau bilang apa ya? Ada Mas Kun tadi yang belum disapa, ada Jungtan, dan ada Narsu. Selamat malam, selamat datang. Sesi sapa-sapa saya selesai karena saya tidak melihat siapa lagi di chatroom. Anyway, biar tidak lama-lama lagi, mari kita masuk ke Get to Know More About MP9 Live. Seperti biasa akan dibagi jadi 3 segmen. Di segmen pertama nanti ada introduction serta sneak peek. Jadi nanti akan ada sesi perkenalan terlebih dahulu dan kulit-kulitnya dulu. Nanti di segmen kedua baru agak berat sedikit, cerita-cerita di balik streamingnya. Dan nanti di sesi ketiga kita akan cool down dengan trivia dan closing mark dari MP9 Live selaku bintang tamu kita pada malam hari ini. Baik, aman Pin?
Oh good. Stop motherfuckers. It's me, the lurker, the legend.
Oke,
Finally in
Mari.
the light.
kita masuk ke segmen pertama, introduction and sneak peek of guest star MP9 Live. Boleh Pin kayaknya kenalan dulu, mungkin username-nya apa, panggilannya apa, tempat tinggal, umur, dan kesibukan.
You already know me, bitch. What's up, everyone? My name is MP9 Live, or shortened to Mpin. Alright, for simplicity reason, EMPIN. Just that my real name is Dwipa. I live currently in Bali, dude. Bali and then Pasar.
Di ibu kota.
Yes, in the heart of the city. Probably like the above, like the north part of the city.
Okay. Hai Dwipa.
I'm currently 22 years old, right?
22?
20, yeah, 22. I'm still young, motherfuckers. I'm still young. Sadly, I'm still young. I'm not that old yet.
Oke. Tadi kamu bilang apa ya terkait ini? Ini namamu kenapa MP9 Live? Kadang-kadang aku kayak tulis MP9
Nine.
kayak begini, MP9.
Yeah. That's the original one.
Why?
I actually got that name from a gun. Do you know CS:GO? Are you familiar with CS:GO? Do you heard it? Counter Strike Global Offensive.
I know the title, but I don't know the Megan CS:GO.
No, that's a Meg gun, not a Meg gun. It's a gun, right? It's a gun. It's a cheap gun. Back then, when I was like picking usernames, with my friend, we were inspired by the name guns. My friend chose the op, like the sniper one. He chose that one. I chose the SMG one, like, because MP9 back then, the gun itself in the game, it's cheap. It's broken as hell, right? That's why I choose the name. There's nothing special behind it. It's just I like the name and I diplesetin dikit lah gitu.
Oke. Ada yang komentar di YouTube, Kaneko bilang submachine gun.
Yeah, it's a submachine gun. It's a cheap submachine gun. It's one of the best gun you can fucking pick.
Oke. Panggilannya cuma Empin saja.
Yes, because you know every time I went to a streamer, right? They were like slinting their eyes, like, trying to fucking read my name because it was so long. And then I just said that for simplicity reasons, just calls me Empin. Empin, the name Empin was given by the nickname was given by Dodo Sama TV. I think you know him, right?
Yeah.
You're familiar, yeah. He was the one who gave me that name, so I just stick with it till now.
Oke. Apalagi tadi mau aku tanya ya? Sebelum aku masuk ke pertanyaan dari viewer ya. Umur sudah, area tempat tinggal sudah, Denpasar. Oke. Kesibukan sehari-hari apakah?
I work in the morning. I always wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning. 5 a.m. And then I work like on some Excel shit, Excel stuff till like the 8:30s, and then I just go back to sleep because lately my eyes are just like it is in like so much pain after seeing so many like numbers and columns and fucking rows and shit. I had to like document like around like 800 people each day, from Monday to Saturday. The only exception is probably Sunday. That's where I only wake up around like 8 a.m.
Oke, ada komentar rajin banget. Ini kamu BTW.
What?
Ini BTW kamu berarti bangun jam 5, kerja sampai 8.30
Yes.
pagi atau malam?
No. In the morning, subuh lah.
Berarti cuma 3,5 jam kerja.
Yes. I work fast.
Oke.
Now the unique thing about this work is like you usually need like probably an hour for each 100. But because I already like memorize everything, I just click Control C and Control V, and I just flick with my cursor and stuff, and I minimize from an hour to like probably like 20 minutes.
Oh, oke. Ada komentar, I can't believe Empin got actual job.
Man, shut the bitch ass up, alright? Fucking piece of shit. Can't believe I'm getting bullied by on a fucking podcast. Alright, moving on.
Denpasar. Oke, kita lanjut ya. Ada pertanyaan dari viewer, bercare-nya dong kak.
Beard.
Ya, biar.
I don't actually take care of my beard. My mother absolutely hates it when I have a beard, like a long beard, bro. I got fucking called like a black beard once. But the funny thing is, like it's a fun fact that some of my beard is actually orange or ginger.
Huh?
I don't know why. Yeah. Surprising,
Why?
right?
Kok
I don't know.
bisa?
Either it's genetic or I have a mutation on my hair. It's just on the beard part. Whenever I grow that shit to like a long one, it's typically a bit more orange.
Di bawah doang.
Yes, on the beard part. You can actually see it on one of my recent shorts. there's a part of me that showed my face on YouTube. Actually, you can check that out. It's a bit reddish rather than ginger-ish. I don't know. Maybe I have a Scandinavian bloodline on my blood.
Too far. Stop halu.
I mean,
Ini-
they're the only one that has like orange hair, right?
Ini kamu kalau misalnya apa sih merah dan oranye kayak kamu bilang itu cuma di ujungnya doang atau dari sini?
No, like the full hair. The
Huh?
full hair. Yeah, I'm not going to fucking zoom in on my goddamn beard, alright? Like just already some of it is already orange.
Oh, oke. Banyak. Kayak uban kan basically?
Maybe it's uban. I don't know if I'm just getting old and shit. Probably you can say like 60-70% of it.
60?
Yeah. It's orange, dude. I cannot lie. It's orange. All my friends thinks it's weird. Okay, why is my beard orange but my hair is like jet black?
Oke. Ada komentar, bro got that 1% European DNA and it only applies to his birth.
Only 1%, huh? Only 1%. I thought I was fucking Middle Eastern or some shit.
Yeah. Tapi ini basically dari pertanyaannya beard care itu tidak di apa-apa kah? Kayak dibiarin panjang doang.
Yeah, I just let it just grow naturally.
Tidak dicukur atau semacamnya. Dirapikan.
Kalau udah dimarah baru ya aku cukur. Kalau aku dimarah baru aku cukur. Soalnya kalau aku nggak diseret keluar ya. Kalau aku nggak diseret keluar lah, I'll let that shit grow up, okay?
Oke. Aku pikir setidaknya pakai apa sih perawatan? Ternyata tidak.
No, sometimes if I want to, probably like once a year, I shave it myself with a cream.
Once a year?
Yeah, once a year. Kalau itu niat ya. Kalau si saya tuh kalau dimarah tuh kalau dimarah tuh beneran diseret. I'm not joking. She would actually like came to my room and threatened me to fucking like if I don't shave my beard, she will throw my fucking laptop. I don't have any options, right? I don't have any choices. So I had to go there. So I had to go to the barber with her to get my beard shaved.
Oh, oke. Ada komentar panjangin pin. You can be the next Kratos face model.
Man, fuck you, right? Fuck you. Hey,
Coba
last
sekali-sekali pin sampai panjang.
udah pernah panjang rasanya di kan kemarin tuh dapet tuh gini facecam kan di Rhythm tuh kan itu that's the maximum length. I cannot go any longer from that. Maybe if I keep it for another year, it would grow a bit longer. Maybe but it would be like a fucking ginger beard for fuck's sake.
You basically like stream with camera like once in a blue moon. No one can remember how your face look like.
Yeah,
Leco.
that's why I put that shit. I put the points at 10,000, right? So no one would fucking actually like redeem that shit. You know why? Because if anyone redeems that, I had to use my phone. And if I don't use my phone, like for example, if I play like Rainbow Six Siege, that shit is on like full screen all time. I cannot see chat. I hate to do like all tabs every time. Ngelek anjing. It freezes my laptop, alright? If I keep all tabbing.
Okay.
Alright, can I answer his question?
Boleh.
Could you ask how long panjangnya? Do I have a maybe this? There's a piece of note. It's around like some it's around here. It's around here. Okay, it's around here. Maybe you cannot see it like this. Probably I'll just hold it like this. It's around here.
Kayak Ahmad Dhani ya.
I don't know who the hell that is. I'm not familiar with Indonesian artists.
Oke. Sebentar ya, baca komentar sebentar. Nggak jadi ternyata aku blasting rumah Mumpin. Bro, facecam rarer dan sun eclipse. Di Twitter sejak saya posting pengumumannya somehow kayaknya meledak sekali. Ada yang nyuruh makan bukan babi. Ada yang nyuruh makan sayur, ada yang mau ngedemo, ada yang mau bakar rumah dan segala macamnya. Some people want to grow their beard though. I couldn't pronounce this correctly. Tapi kamu basically ini gen DNA.
What the fuck is Gendan?
As in kalau misalnya genetik papa.
Oh yeah, it's genetic.
Turunan.
All of them is genetic. I don't. Should I say this? My father looks a bit more like Saddam Hussein. I'm not even joking.
Oh,
If Saddam Hussein is black, it's him. I'm not joking. It looks 11-12 ning, like Saddam Hussein.
that's a lot of beer.
No. Saddam Hussein doesn't have beard. That's Osama bin Laden. Saddam Hussein is the what's it called? I think the Iranian lord. He has
Oh,
a
yeah,
mustache.
yeah,
man.
yeah,
He has a
yeah,
mustache.
yeah.
He has a mustache.
Sorry, salah orang.
No. It's good.
Oke. Tadi kamu bilang mau tanya sesuatu dong. Tapi ini kalau misalnya terlalu lancang nggak usah dijawab, nggak apa-apa ya. You are Indonesian, right? Fully to the core.
I am fully Indonesian.
Do you?
Blood and
Are
Yes.
you not? Are you not? Apa sih? Tidak terlalu.
blasteran.
No. Apakah tidak terlalu nyaman dan familiar dengan menggunakan bahasa Indonesia dengan baik dan benar?
No. No. What do you mean by that? Apa aku nggak terlalu nyaman pakai bahasa Indonesia?
Yes. Kenapa jauh lebih familiar dengan English? Why? This is a question. Because
okay.
you basically always answering everything in English. I can also speak in English, but if you, hence why I'm actually wondering, are you like not familiar with Indonesian most of the time, or this is just a question, yeah? But if it is too rude,
No. It's okay. I'm more exposed to English than more to Indonesian.
why?
I am. I'll say this. No boasting, right? No boasting. Nggak ada mau masuk sombong. Okay. I am spoiled back then, right? The only thing I watched back then was Cartoon Network, like the original Nickelodeon, Disney XD. All of them are like in English, right? So I'm more familiar with English rather than Indonesian. And I already started playing English games since I was like fucking first year of primary school.
First year of
Primary school, SD.
2008,
Probably like
9?
Yeah. No. 8. 2008.
Oh,
Yeah, I forgot. Like I have this switch on my head, right? I have this switch. Whenever I'm on cam or I'm like streaming, I just put on this English motherfucker mode. But if I'm like on a Discord call, pakai bahasa Indonesia. Pakai bahasa Indonesia ya.
This is an interesting question from Nars Uwu. Nars Uwu menanyakan kalau sama orang rumah pakai Inggris juga.
Nggak pakai bahasa Indonesia plus bahasa Bali, campur.
Tapi konten terbiasa bahasa Inggris dari kecil sampai sekarang.
Yes. That's the funny thing, right? Like immediately, I switched to English. I don't know why. It just like snapped to it. Maybe because I've been doing this for like almost a decade more.
Oke.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Sebentar, ini komentarnya I still picture myself as 17 too. He's 22. That's what he said before. But
Yes,
I don't
I'm
know if it's
younger.
actually younger than Joy or no. But yeah.
I am younger, bitch.
So you are practically not really familiar with any Indonesian content since?
No, since I was a child.
Hence why you
I mean-
said back then that you actually know Chris Ye song from me?
Yeah,
Kinda weird though, because it's actually pretty popular in Indonesia, and you said you actually discovered the song from me.
I don't hear music from Indonesian, right?
Really? Even in
yeah.
Denpasar?
Nggak, kalau di pasar tahu. Kalau di pasar lagu-lagu lokal tuh tahu. Soalnya
No.
itu dia-
I mean like if you do you want to aku pakai serius ya. Aku pakai bahasa Indonesia.
Ya.
Kamu kalau misalnya ke apa sih, ke kafe atau ke restoran, kan mereka mungkin blasting musik Indonesia ya. Tidak familiar juga kah?
Okay, huh? I never thought of that.
Iya kan,
Bro,
kalau misalnya lagi ke kafe, makan di restoran atau lagi di pantai gitu kan orang bahasa Indonesia dong. But you didn't familiarize with that.
I rarely go outside.
Oh, oke.
Mungkin iya ya, mungkin kalau misalnya ke warung dulu. Biasanya kalau ke warung sih sebenarnya lebih tepatnya daripada ke restoran. Di warung tuh pakai lagu-lagu lokal, pakai lagu-lagu bahasa Bali biasanya.
Oh.
Tapi kalau misalnya ke kafe, biasanya bukan ke kafe ya sih aku ingetnya. Biasanya kakakku yang ngeplay lagu-lagu kayak lagu-lagu Indonesia gitu loh. Bagus sih ininya, kayak melodi sama nadanya, tapi kok ngerti anjing gue. Aku gak terlalu ngerti dulu itu tuh.
Oh, oke. Ada komentar MP introvert Bang Adli. Aku juga. Tapi setidaknya aku masih kayak mendengar beberapa musik Indonesia begitu.
Bro,
Cuma
I am. Oh, sorry. You can
I am?
translate that. Bro, I am the full-fledged introvert. Alright, like I never go outside. I rarely go outside. Alright, except when, when my mother forced me to go outside. That's the only time where I go outside. Like I hated going outside.
sih, ya baik. Aku basically cuma kayak di Jumat doang keluar rumah. Kalau nggak Jumat kalau misalnya nggak perlu Jumatan aku juga nggak keluar rumah. Ya begitulah ya basically. Ada komentar tadi dari Yoru. Bintang kecil masa nggak pernah sih Pin? Itu
Bintang
apa?
kecil dulu.
Bintang kecil.
Aku juga udah lupa nadanya nih.
Mana pula masa umur 22 lupa nada.
Bro, aku punya pikun-pikunan anjing.
Terus ada komentar lagi, Dek Ulik gimana Pin? Dek Ulik siapa?
Deolek tuh gini, artis lokal. Cuman kok terlalu tahu lagunya
Artis
kecuali kalau dikasih
lokal?
denger. Iya, artis lokal.
Dek Ulik.
Deolek. Adik Ulik namanya kalau nggak salah.
Oh, oke. Terus?
I'm never familiar myself with the artist name. Mungkin kalau dikasih tahu lagunya mungkin tahu ya. Nggak terlalu tahu aku nama lagunya, tapi kalau dikasih dengerin lagunya paling aku tahu sih. Probably like there's like only like a 50% chance lah.
Oke, kalau begitu. Mumpung belum ada pertanyaan lagi, kalau begitu kita lanjut ya.
Yeah, let's go to the next fucking slide.
Ini pertanyaan kedua sebenarnya, meaning behind MP9 Live. Tadi sebenarnya sudah dijelaskan MP9. Apakah mau menjelaskan lagi di sini atau cukup?
I don't think I need to explain it anymore. The MP9 name is already came from CS:GO, and then I just added the live. That's it. There's nothing special to it. And then what else?
Makanya kalau di YouTube namanya MP9 doang.
Yes, back then I started on YouTube first.
But you didn't stream on YouTube, right?
No, I stream on YouTube.
You stream on YouTube, but you didn't use MP9 Live on YouTube.
Yeah, I don't use MP9 Live. I just use MP9. MP9 is my in-game name. It felt like those like Xbox kids. Are you familiar with that?
No.
Like when you're choosing your gamer tag and shit.
No, like Game Pass.
Bukan nama gamer tag itu nama ID-nya.
Gamer tag.
Yeah, the gamer tag. Bro, it felt so cool, bro. It felt so fucking cool having my own name because MP9 doesn't even exist in Google yet back then.
Back then.
Back then. But now it's just filled with my content, shit content.
Oke, ada pertanyaan dari viewer. Ada rencana ganti nama nggak?
Probably not. I already stick with this like for a decade now. I already grown to the name. I only changed the name on different games. Probably, for example, if I play GTA Online, right? I gave my name there MP, but changed the 9 to 5. The MP5, like the gun name, like the MP5. Then there's another one on Rainbow Six Siege. I just changed it to MPX. MPX, just based on a gun. I just love it. I just love the concept of gun acronyms, and I try to like fit that to my name.
Oke.
I love guns.
Ada komentar, misal jadi AK-47 Live.
I already tried that before, right?
Really?
Yeah. I already tried that before. Right? Before I picked the SMG, right? The MP9 SMG. I already tried to make my name as AK-47. Like, it sounded so cringy. I mean, like it sounded so cringy. I tried the M4. I stick with it for like a week, but I changed it to MP9 back again. It's just I got stick. I love the name, right? It's been with me since the start of probably the like my sophomore year on middle school.
Wow. Oke, oke, oke. Oke, mari kita lanjut kalau begitu. Kapankah mulai streaming di Twitch dan kenapa? Why Twitch?
Bro,
Tadi kan di
Twitch
klipnya sebenarnya 3 tahun ya kalau nggak salah.
I started Twitch on back on when Genshin's second most important update, which is the new map Inazuma on around September 2021.
September
That's-
2021?
Yeah, September. I think it was September 21st. What was it? I forgot. Okay, I don't know the exact date, but it was on September 2021. The reason why I moved to Twitch because Twitch has a better service, right? A better chat, better service. I just don't like going on YouTube. Why? Because the chat in there is just it's shit. All right, I gotta say it something. It's a bit clunky rather than Twitch.
Clunky?
Probably it's biased, right? It's biased because I already used Twitch since 2016. I'm already familiar with Twitch more than YouTube, and I had to like learn a bit more on YouTube. But I did like I like YouTube more about their itu loh kayak kualitasnya lah, the quality lah, the quality control. You don't have to be like an affiliate or like a partner to change their streamers. What is it called again? The quality.
Yeah, that's
On
because
YouTube,
they have the money. They have the budget.
Yeah. YouTube is bigger than Twitch before, but now Twitch is actually dominating the stream platform.
It is. Okay. I wanted to ask something but I actually forgot. Kayak mau tanya sesuatu tapi aku jadi lupa gara-gara ngangguk-ngangguk.
You can remember it later, okay? You can remember it later.
Anyway, let's just continue. This is my last question ya. Ini adalah pertanyaan terakhir di segmen ini dari aku. Apakah yang sering di stream di Twitch kategorinya? Apakah cuma main game single player saja termasuk joki? Atau kebuka untuk game multiplayer juga? Kayak yang tadi klipnya itu sebenarnya dia cerita tadi di belakang layar bahwa dia itu ngejokiin akun lain, tapi dia udah lama-lama nunggu karakter tersebut, ternyata yang dijokiin yang dapat, kan kesel katanya begitu, terus ending begitu.
Bro, I wanna fucking fight myself, but dude, I fucking hate it. I hated that I got the character on such a low PD, right? The PD system is like a counter, right? If you get to like a certain point, you get the character guaranteed on your next poll. But yeah, the only thing I could I only stream right now is just Genshin. Right? That's the only thing my laptop can handle. But back then when it was like the first year of my stream on 2021 was I had a PC. I could play any single game I would want. Man, if I could go back, I would just fucking grind on MW. The Call of Duty Modern Warfare, right? You asked earlier about if I'm open to multiplayer. I am open to multiplayer if I know the person, right? If I don't know the person, probably I would just decline politely, right?
Okay. But you did
Usually-
actually play something like R6 in a few months back, no?
No, a few days ago. I played R6, tried to stream it. My laptop got black. It literally went blacked out. It didn't even went to blue screen, just died.
Okay, so no more R6 then in the future.
Maybe I do, probably just like a 2-hour stream.
Oke, ini ada komentar. Wah, kamu tahu aku aja kadang nggak mau main pin. Kamu kalau misalnya diajak kayak main Raft gitu kan kadang-kadang kayak Nars atau Yoru atau si Joy kadang-kadang kan main Raft atau Minecraft. Do you join the game?
I cannot play Minecraft. Minecraft berat anjing di laptop dulu. Itu masalah pertama. Yang kedua tuh, no offense, right? I love you all. I love watching you all. But if I came to your stream, the only thing I want to do is just watch, right? I just love watching people play. Rather than just joining them, I only just like watching them and commenting to them. It's probably like a really one of my hobbies, just to like search around or scour around people and then just like comments and some shit with them. Probably the first thing I would do, just like do this, observe. I just observe first and see what they like do in the stream. If they're quiet, I'll try to like start a topic or something. If they don't respond, I'll try to do like 3 more messages until if they still ignore me, I'll just bounce right now. Just bounce.
Oke, aku baca komentar sebentar ya. Lurker handal. Kamu dipikir-pikir kayaknya mungkin kayak si Olaguni. Kalau kamu tahu username namanya Olaguni23.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm familiar with is it a he or is it a she? I don't
It's a he.
know.
Itu kan tag lainnya Kang Lurking ya.
Oh, I thought it was Shirotat. I don't know about Algani though. I know the name. I'm familiar with the name Algani. Good dude.
Jadi sama aja, kamu kayaknya sama-sama tukang lurking kayak nonton doang. Tapi lurker adalah backbone dari streaming ya menurutku. Tanpa ada lurker ya begitulah ya.
I'm a passive lurker, right? I came in, try to talk with the streamer or the YouTuber, and try just holding my urge to just try to bully them.
Iya, kayak yang di komentar itu kan, watching dan membuli. Terus watching dan membuli Nars, anta watching dan memuji Yoru. Hehehe.
You
Di
cannot
YouTube-
blame me.
Di YouTube ada yang bilang related. Tapi aku juga kadang-kadang aku kayak tidak sempat untuk berchat, tapi aku bisa kayak nonton. Kadang kayak lagi ngerjain ini itu kan di belakang, terus kayak tidak bisa ngomong di chat, tapi kayak pengen denger dan pengen nonton gitu loh. Jadi aku kadang-kadang kayak gitu juga.
Yeah, there's a passive lurker, right? The listener, right? The listener.
Betul.
There's another one like you just lurk and then just leave.
Iya
I
betul.
usually do that too. But most of the time, like 80% of the time, I try to like start a conversation with them.
But it's okay. Aku sebenarnya masalah lurker sih aku nggak apa-apa ya. As in selama mereka kayak nyaman. Bahkan sebenarnya di channelku ini ada kayak mungkin 5 atau sampai 10-an akun yang sering mampir tapi tidak follow sampai sekarang.
Oh wow, really? Like
Really?
mods?
No, not mods. Mereka tuh kayak sering datang dan aku tahu mereka tuh nggak follow, tapi mereka sering datang dan kadang-kadang suka lama-lama nunggu kayak nonton dan menyimak. Tapi aku asalkan mereka kayaknya tidak terganggu ya udah biar aja.
Probably they're not verified yet. Maybe if they want to like chat, they're not verified yet. Maybe that's the reason why, right? I asked my friend who came here to the chat. He hasn't spoken anything yet because he hasn't gotten his account verified yet.
Oh iya betul, aku punya itu karena gimana ya? Sebenarnya kan kalau misalnya tahu ya, tapi di Twitch itu kan kadang ada kayak cheap viewer, best viewer, atau kalau misalnya kadang
ada
yang
famous quickly.
betul, ada yang kayak misalnya kayak Discord, DKK dan mereka tidak verif. Jadi aku ada proteksi itu. I'm sorry. Ya Allah.
Nah, it's fine. How do you do that? Like, I don't know how you do that. Like,
Ada
how do
sih
you
kalau
activate?
misalnya di moderation ada kok. Aku setting itu.
Hah?
Semuanya mesti follow, mesti verifikasi email. Dan setidaknya kalau misalnya sebagian verifikasi HP. Kan verifikasi email tidak susah ya. Untuk akun yang benar-benar akun.
Oh, you can do that in your settings?
Yeah. Jadi kalau
I
misalnya
never knew that.
begitu kan apa ya? Cukup yang biasa-biasa aja, yang benar-benar asli orang. Karena kan kadang-kadang ada yang pakai seri bot. Kalau Empin tahu seri bot dan para penonton atau pendengar tahu seri bot.
I never heard of a seri bot before.
Seri underscore bot itu basically kayak misalnya kadang ada yang kayak follow bot gitu loh. Kadang bisa tiba-tiba 50, 100 langsung masuk ke follow dalam beberapa menit, kemudian nanti kita selaku streamer bisa di-ban. Ada yang begitu.
I never knew that.
Jadi
I
aku
never heard of that before.
pakai begitu proteksinya. Verifikasi nomor HP susah, makanya aku cuma aktifkan yang email harus semua dan sebagian HP. Begitu.
Oh, you can actually settings for the phone verification like that. I never knew that.
Betul.
Maybe I need to look out for that.
Karena
Iya.
kalau
Nah,
affiliate itu sepengetahuanku mereka bakal minta verifikasi 2FA atau nomor HP, dan nomor HP itu kadang-kadang kendala orang nggak masuk-masuk SMS-nya.
Oh iya benar juga sih. Ya kan karena ngirimnya dari internasional ya.
Betul.
Kadang nggak masuk-masuk di gini ya di nomor HP lokal kita.
Betul. Ah iya, kira-kira begitu ya. Kalau mau tanya-tanya boleh. Saya begitu kira-kira. Aku tidak pakai seri bot. Cuma sejauh ini rasanya aku tidak sering mendapatkan teror yang kayak follow bot dan segala macamnya. Jadi lebih terfilter lah ya. Ya tapi balik lagi, asalkan mereka nyaman dan tidak terganggu ya udah nggak apa-apa, biar aja.
It's a good thing that you don't come to your stream, right?
Betul. Terus
Ya.
sebenarnya minggu lalu si Wibi, bintang tamu minggu lalu tuh bilang, berarti mereka kayak bookmark dan kayak ngasih effort lebih dong ke Bang Adli. Kan mereka nggak follow ya akunku. Terus pas aku streaming dia datang. Kan
Yeah,
nggak
just
lihat
working,
ya?
right?
Ya kan mereka nggak lihat ya basically. Berarti kan mereka tahu ya jadwal, which is a good and effortful. Ya kan? Kayak
Those are dedicated fans, bro.
aku tidak berpikir ke arah sana, tapi ternyata oh ya bisa gitu ya. Tapi ya kira begitu ya.
They're not familiar with the term of following, right? Maybe
Betul.
they came from like a background of YouTube where you just subscribe because subscribe in here you need to pay it.
Betul,
That's the
betul.
thing.
Ada komentar di add bookmark di tabnya mungkin. Betul. Dulu sebenarnya ada follower yang VIP ku sekarang dan dia bilang begitu. Dia sering
yeah,
mampir.
you
Terus
already told that.
dia itu bookmark namaku di Chrome-nya dan dia bilang dia nggak tahu kalau misalnya di Twitch itu mesti follow dulu. ternyata begitu. Jadi ya well, yang penting asalkan mereka nyaman dan nggak keganggu ya udah biar aja. Anyway, kita balik ya. MP ini ada 2 pertanyaan. Tadi
Yes.
ada pertanyaan dari Yoru. Empin, you didn't say anything about this podcast. Hey Kardus, follow akunku.
Young, follow his account, Young. It's free, you know. Just hit that follow button and you can just bounce.
Karena kan kalau misalnya di Twitter kan bisa itu ya, bisa aku pasti pengumuman biasanya hari Kamis atau Jumat paling lambat. Jadi kalau misalnya ada yang minta tamu ya ketahuan di sana hari Kamis gitu.
He doesn't know. He doesn't fucking use Twitter. That's
Betul.
the thing.
Ada
What was
komentar dual device
what's the-
biasanya gitu, yang satu follow yang satu kagak. I did that sometime. Oh, okay. I didn't know about that. Mari kita lanjut ke pertanyaan ya.
Yeah.
Ada 2 pertanyaan. Pertanyaan pertama dari komentar, ya Allah, Kardus.
Let's go. Hey, where is your feet pic, man? Like you keep sending me fucking elephant feet pic. That does not suffice, right? Like you left me tweaking here.
Aduh, capek. Mari kita kembali ke pertanyaan ya. Ada pertanyaan dari Kazeyoru. Pilih bebek betutu apa samsam guling? Apa itu samsam guling?
Samsam guling itu perut babi. Itu perut babi itu dipanggang gitu loh. Kalau nggak salah dikasihin bumbu di dalamnya. You can wrap that shit and then just cook it lah. I don't know like the details on it because I never eat it, but I know what it is filled with. Kalau disuruh pilih, I have to choose a bit tutu or samsam guling. I had to choose a bit tutu lah because I cannot eat pork right now.
Wait, right now? What do you mean by right now?
Right now, bilang dah kalau gitu, bilang dah gini, jadinya puasa gitu loh, puasa untuk babi, because I had a thing, I'll tell you about it later, okay? I'll tell you about it later. I had a thing that I cannot eat pork. If I eat pork, I'll die quickly. I'm not joking about that.
Oh, oke. Ada komentar, wah orang Bali bang. Silahkan kalau
What's
mau.
up, motherfuckers? What's up? I am full-fledged Balinese motherfucker. Let's go.
Dia Bali Hani, dia dari Denpasar. Ini BTW samsam guling itu apa sih?
What? Oh, you need. Aku nggak terlalu tahu ya, karena aku nggak pernah makan.
Maksudku aku Google. Ini kayak, do you know tambunsu?
No, I never heard of tambunsu.
Tambunsu atau tambunsu itu kan
Sound
kalau
like
di
Chinese
Minang kayak usus
Huh?
sapi yang dibersihkan, kemudian diisi kayak tahu dan telur begitu.
Oh.
Itu tambunsu. Apakah yang babi ini ususnya atau beneran kayak?
Nggak. No, it's not the intestine. It's not the inside of the pig, right? Cuman bagian luar sama bagian daging aja lah. Biasanya mah kulitnya juga lah. It's
Kayak
round.
kerangka.
What the hell is pramuka?
Aku dikomentari si Narsuwu beda Bang Adli. Aku kepo karena aku cari di Google ini bulat. Itu
Yeah, it's round. Aku gak pernah makan ya sebenarnya. Jadi aku gak terlalu tahu kan. Itu tuh bentuknya bundaran. Nanti
Iya.
di dalamnya tuh ada it's filled with stuff, right? Like it's filled with spices, Balinese traditional things. I don't know the terms. And then you slowly cook that on a grill. I think it's a grill or something similar to that. And then you eat that.
makanya
Enak
di
kok.
guling kan ya. Ini aku lihat ada
Iya,
yang
di-
pakai tiang dan bambu.
Nah, ya di tiang kan diguling juga itu.
Kemudian diputar begitu biar masak.
I never seen that in real life. To be honest, I never seen it. Pernah diajakin makan, cuman karena aku nggak boleh makan, jadi nggak bisa makan. Belum pernah nyobain lah. That's a sad thing, bro. It's unfortunate I cannot eat my favorite food.
Sebentar, iya diputar biar mateng. Oke. Sebentar, ini pertanyaan dari Honeycomb. Aku tahu loh ya, karena aku tadi ngesensor klip si Empin ya. KLE itu artinya apa? Aku tidak baca ya Hani ya. Aku tidak baca ya pertanyaannya Hani ya. Ya Tuhan. Tadi aku cari di Google itu artinya apa dan aku tahu artinya apa. Aduh. Baik, kita lanjut ya ke pertanyaan selanjutnya dari Kode Joy. Kalau ketemu IRL mau nggak, Pin?
Absolutely not. Fuck that. No,
Why?
I don't know what. How do I say this? Because of the earlier disturbance, right? The thing that I cannot eat pork. I cannot go outside of Bali. If he came to Bali, right, I would probably not gonna meet him. Or I hate meeting people. I hate meeting people in real life. I'm socially awkward. Okay, I just don't like the feeling, being that feeling that I'm with someone that usually just like don't talk to that much.
Berarti kalau misalnya mereka datang ke Bali, kamu bakal mau ketemu. Tapi kalau misalnya kamu keluar dari Bali, kamu males gitu.
Bukan males sih jatuhnya, nggak dikasih itu. I'll tell you about the details
tidak
about
bisa
it.
keluar dari Bali basically.
Yes.
Oke. Sebentar aku
Yaudah,
baca
jadi-
komentar ya.
Okay.
Bro, I freaking love the taste of seafood, but unfortunately I'm allergic to it. Kayak babi tadi kayaknya. Kamu kayaknya suka babi, tapi kayaknya nggak bisa makan, gitu ya? Pernah makan babi, tapi kayaknya nggak bisa makan karena tertentu. Oke. Aku nggak tahu, tapi temanku suka ngomong itu, hahaha. Jahat
It's
ya
a good
temannya.
word. It's a good word.
Oke, ada komentar sebentar ya. Aku baca komentar dulu ya. Dari sebelum aku lanjut ke pertanyaan selanjutnya. Bang Adli, kenapa Empin mirip sama Bang Garit?
Who the fuck said that?
Garit Dewana? Dari Kardus Streamer ini komentarnya. Tahu kan Garit Dewana?
Yeah, I know him. I get spam a lot by my friends. I look like him. He's not the only one who fucking told me I look like him.
Terus tadi ada komentar juga. I can impression Empin Mas Adli. Terus tadi ada komentar juga. Apalagi tadi ya terkait ini sebenarnya. Pantes kayak siapa gitu. Aku dari tadi liatnya bener juga Bang Garit. Oke.
Fucking
Mari.
hate that comment, bro. Fucking piece of shit.
Kita ke atas lagi ya. Ada komentar tadi dari yang mana ya? Kardus Streamer. Cuma ketemu aku doang yang dia pernah ketemu. Pernah ketemu si Kardus?
Have we? What? Oh, hold up. Since when did I met you in real life? No, I never met him in real life, but he is the one person that I told him that I told my full name. That's it.
Oke. Bang Empin so funny ya. Jadi temanku dong Bang. Boleh silakan di follow kalau misalnya Kak Priscil mau. Tapi dia jarang streaming. Dan dia pun tidak streaming dengan facecam. Dia cuma streaming dengan handcam. Begitu. Itu pun kalau di redeem. Kalau nggak di redeem nggak bakal muncul.
For real. That's why I fucking put that shit so expensive, right? So no more fuckers can fucking redeem that shit, like, because it's a hassle, right? You know why I put that such a high price, right? Kan itu perlu computing power, right? To process my camera, the phone camera, right?
Masa cuma untuk HP kamera gini doang nggak kuat?
I have a 6th gen Intel, right? That shit is like 10 years old.
Seriusan nggak kuat?
Yes, I'm not joking. Pas aku ujian proposal kan, ujian proposal, my fucking camera froze. My fucking camera froze, and the Droid cam said has no memories in it. I don't know what the fuck is happening, but my camera froze. Good thing I already finished the whole ujian proposal, right? And it froze at the final moment.
Duh, kasihan sekali.
Yeah, kasihan, yeah. Back then I had a good PC, right? Fucking good Ryzen PC, a 360. But damn, I can fucking play anything, right? Just that I had to fucking sell that, unfortunately.
Oke, semoga di masa depan bisa lagi kembali punya PC ya.
Amin.
Oke, kabarin aja guys kalau mau lihat mukanya Empin, nanti aku redeemin.
Yo, who the fuck said that, no?
Kode coy.
Ban his ass, ban his ass, bro. Gotta fucking put that on 20k.
Oke, kita lanjut ya. Ini pertanyaan terakhir ya. Dari Plan 0803. Kenapa selalu minta sunscreen ke Bang Yongki? Aku kepo.
What the hell?
Tadi sebenarnya dijawab sama si Kardus. Dia itu meleleh kalau kena matahari. Why? Kenapa minta sunscreen?
I know I don't melt, all right. I'm not that fucking soft. I don't just melt if I go outside. But the funny thing is, if I go outside, I'll start to sneeze. Itu kan ada kayak tempat taman gitu kan. Ini ada taman.
Kamu alergi serbuk
Yes, I'm allergic
bunga?
to grass. No, I'm allergic to grass, bro.
Hah?
Yeah, I'm
Serius?
not joking. Yeah, last time I went to a park, namanya tuh Katalangu kan. Itu udah banyak kali ada sawah sama grass, right? I spend an hour dan langsung bange anjir, langsung meler, like no cap, dude. And then an hour later I go to a mall,
Hah?
langsung sembuh anjing. Kena AC langsung fucking relax,
Komentar
dude.
komentarnya bro cannot touch grass. Tapi seriusan kamu alergi rumput?
Ya mungkin karena metabolisme aku jelek ya, karena terlalu diam di rumah terus ya. Soalnya kan dulu waktu kecil ya aku main keluar, itu aja baru sering keluar. Tapi setelah SMP, oh my god, I'm like a cocoon, motherfuckers. I only live inside my house. No, inside my room.
Wah, somehow ini jujur aku kasihan. Berarti
Pernah
pernah kena corona? Boleh lah.
Aku hampir salah identifikasi lagi, dikira aku punya corona karena mampet kan hidungku. Now
Oh?
I don't know why. My nose sometimes I cannot smell things, the things that my friends smell. I don't know why. It's just probably that's just how weird my fucking body works, right?
Tapi nggak pernah kena corona sampai sekarang kan?
Nggak pernah, orang aku jarang keluar rumah, baca aku belum kena.
Oke, vaksin 2 kali.
Ya, vaksin 2 kali.
Oke, baik. Sudah habis pertanyaannya. Tadi sebenarnya ada pertanyaan satu lagi dari Honeycomb, tapi aku tidak mau baca pertanyaannya.
Okay, can I answer it? Can I answer it too?
Tapi
Was
kamu
it- was
bisa, kamu jawabnya bisa dengan family friendly.
Nah, bro, of course not. The fucking topic is not even family friendly.
Of course, hence why I don't want to say that.
Just a word of advice. Just Google that thing. Okay, just Google that thing. It's related to genitalia. Okay, just that.
Oke. Nah, mumpung belum ada pertanyaan lagi dari viewer dan dari aku sudah habis, kalau begitu kita break dulu habis ini. BTW kalau misalnya belum tahu, kalau misalnya mau berkontribusi aktif boleh gunakan channel point-nya kok. Bisa gunakan channel point-nya untuk bertanya via channel point 99 teks di chatroom atau 369 via audio. Terus kalau misalnya mau request lagu juga bisa, silakan. 189 channel point saja. Itu sebenarnya. Karena kalau misalnya pertanyaannya tidak ditanyakan via channel point, ya tidak bisa dibacakan begitu. Kecuali komentarnya berhubungan ya, mungkin masih bisa. Ada call in, tapi apakah mau setelah break ya? Karena aku kayaknya belum yakin apakah ada kardus di dalam server atau tidak. Jadi mungkin biasa setting-setting dulu ya. Sementara itu, Maria, setelah ini kita akan break sebentar. Ada 3 lagu. Ada Love Bomb dari From Miss 9, ada Twinkle dari Loveless, ada Cimat Baram dari Brave Girls. Setelah itu kita akan lanjutkan ke segmen kedua dari Weekly Midnight Radio episode ke-59. Kenapa kamu mundur, Kak?
Bro, I don't want to fucking do a call in, right?
Why?
I'm nervous. I'm shy around people.
No need to be nervous to Kardus. Kan one of your bestie.
Yeah, one of my best favorite topics. Let's go.
Oke, baik. Selanjutnya kita akan break sebentar ya. Selamat mendengarkan 3 lagu selanjutnya.